Hey guys, we have a GB dispute right here, and please, CMRS, please. These kids were like hose booting me off, like not kicking me offline, but they were making me lag, and I'm gonna show you proof because every time they would kill me, I'll be lagging. Let's just show you guys. First of all, just show you the gamer tag the real. Look, pathetic me. I don't know what the hell his name is, but there it is. And Fu Shank and Survive my partner. Alright. Let's see when I start lagging. Not there. Look, by the way, just to show you guys, look, I was not lagging in the beginning, look, working perfectly, everything. And then Tarai just raised the shit out of him. Right? And then watch the next round. Alright. Just showing you. Here wasn't lagging. He killed me fair and square right there. I'm admit. We lost that round. Alright. I'll start lagging around here. Wow. Look right here, I'm lagging. Let's just show you guys, look. Let's just show you guys, look. I couldn't even move from that spot, just saying. Look at how this kid killed me. Wait, look at the kill cam. Sorry about that. Watch. Alright, look. Right here. Look right there, I'm just skipping. Can't even see. These kids were lagging us out real bad. I'll show you here again, wait. I think it happened this round too. Wait, I can't see. Look at this, my guy's not even, look, my guy's not even moving. Couldn't even move. But yeah, we basically lost that because of the really bad lag, so please CMRS, look at this and like ban this kid. Because we're 15-1 and these kids have like 3 disputes already just because of that.